Hey everyone, so we're working late tonight, catching up on some jobs. Thought this one might be a cool one to go over. This one, the Coyote swap kit, is going into an early Lincoln Continental. So I believe this kit works from a 65 through 69 years, and we've been getting some calls on it and really looking forward to seeing some of these in the car. Let's kind of get zoomed in a little bit and talk about what the kit comes with. This isn't everything, but just some of the highlights. These are special fabricated headers. They're made by Little Shop, and you can see they're very well made, very tight fitting. It's going to fit into the chassis there, and specific again for the Lincoln Continental. It's going to come with the transmission cross member. You're going to have the adjustable mounts. So you got the frame mounts, got the hardware, the transmission mount, some of the weld-in pieces. This kit is not for the faint of heart. It's really meant for a professional shop, because there's going to be some cutting in the chassis in order for it to work. So we move over to the engine itself, and we just want to focus on this one, just the oil pan itself. So this is a specially fabricated oil pan. It's designed to go over or around the cross member in order to clear there. So it's probably about 8 quarts. And of course we have all the front accessory drive, alternator, AC, power steering. It's going to include the whole control pack, harness, and all the other auxiliary pieces. We're going to have a radiator kit with this as well. That's not showing. Over here, the transmission, 6R80. It's going to be a great setup for the Lincoln, which of course back in the day maybe had a 3-speed. So you're going to have that overdrive gear. And it's going to really work nicely with that Coyote. So all in all available through tdmotion.com.